is my super tacky method of doing these. So there's a foil and there's a box method, and some of you said you like something like the other thing. And actually, I was working on this with Miguel and then with, I don't remember who, but my tacky way of thinking about it is that it's like going to a party in two separate cars. Like, yeah, it's so bad, you guys. Like, here's one car. It's so bad I'll even draw the wheels. Here's the wheels on the first car. There you go. Here's the second car. Oh no, this is terrible. Alright, so, when we get to the party, these people don't need to say hello because they're already in the same car. But everybody in this car needs to say hello to everybody in this car, right? So say hello now means multiplication, yeah. Okay, so I have 4x saying hello to the 3x once they get to the party. Hello being multiplication. So 4x times 3x. And Miguel, this is exactly what we were working through. Okay, cool. So the 4x says hello to the 3x. There you go. Now, who else does the 4x need to say hello to? The negative 5. So I got 4x saying hello to the negative 5. So that's 4x times negative 5. All right. And Miguel had asked an awesome question. What operation am I supposed to write in between these? Plus, yeah, y plus, defend that.
Because the 4 is a positive.
It's a positive 4, good. Yeah, absolutely, Rachel. This is a positive 4x, so this is a plus. Okay, so now the 4x has said hello to everyone in this car. Now we have the negative 1 is going to do the same thing. Negative 1 says hello to the 3x. Negative 1 times 3x. Good. And finally, what's my last step? Negative 1 times negative 5. Good. My negative 1 times negative 5. Cool. And once again, we didn't have to do any arithmetic yet. We're just writing stuff down. Okay. What's 4 times 3?
12.
And x times x? 12x squared. Good. And a positive 4 times a negative 5 is? Minus 20. Good. And there's an x. Perfect. So this is minus 20x. Good. Okay. Now what do I have? What's next?
Negative 3x.
Minus 3x, negative 3x. And finally, a negative times a negative gives me a positive 5. Good. Good. All right. Can I do anything with the 12x squared?
No.
It's the only x squared, right? So there's nothing left to do. So I got 12x squared. Now I have a minus 20x and a minus 3x, so those are both just plain x's. So how many x's do I leave off with?
Minus 23.
Minus 23x.
Minus 12.
Yeah, so minus 23x, and then finally,
Plus 5.
plus 5. Good. And then we're done. So to tie all the way back to Regina's statement that this is too hard, I would agree. What we did the first time is too much work. I prefer to think about it this way. Okay, now I gotta do the other one. No problem.